Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Chris Robinson, Robinson Like Marketing, with today's pre-opening grain and livestock comments for Monday the 18th. Well, this is why we roll down puts when we can. I had no idea that we were going to have crude oil back up to, geez, it went to 108 last night. Now it's back down to 103. Obviously, it's all about what's going on with Iran. Uh, it did spike the grain though. D corn hit 497 and a quarter last night, opened at 95, trading at 92 right now. July corn opened at 69, hit 73, trading at 69. It did trade down to 64, however. So, you know, about a 7 cent range in corn. The beans, I think, were the big surprise. Opened at 88 and no beans, hit a high of 99 and three quarters. Couldn't get the $12 print. We're hitting at 11.94 and three quarters right now, up 24 cents. July wheat, that wasn't enough. Opened up at 647, hit 662, and is now trading at 57 and three quarters, up 22 cents. What's the driver? It has to be the fact that people think that we're going to go escalate issues with Iran again, hitting 108. I did run the all the charts in the weekly wrap. I did have crude oil in there. It's in a nice little wedge. Take a look at that. We're right in that wedge right now. I did also mention it in the private client webinar that I posted last night before the opening. I went through all the charts and talked about things. That's about an 18-minute webinar. If you'd like to see that, give me a call, send me a text message. I can send it to you. You can take a look at it. That is a lot of what I provide to clients and subscribers. A daily letter after the close where I break down all the key levels, which help you head into the next day, bull or bear. A weekly wrap, and also a weekly webinar where I spend about 15 to 20 minutes and go through each chart and explain to you the technical highlights. I do pay attention to fundamentals. Obviously, money flow is huge, right? And I'll wrap it up with that. 2 weeks ago, the funds bought 80,000 contracts of corn and a bunch of beans. Last week, they'd sold 40,000 of it. And, people love to hate the speculators. You have to take advantage of them when they're on your side, because when they pull the rug out, it's not much fun, is it? So it's a double-edged sword. They're probably, regretting the fact that they sold 40,000 contracts of corn last night. Now the corn's back up on its highs. So they're not perfect either. Just remember that. But the nice thing is, we do get that information every Friday. It is based on Tuesday. I have a lot of people tell me, well, it's old information. Trust me, if you're moving 40,000 contracts, doesn't matter if you find it out on Monday or Thursday. It's a significant thing to take care of and watch. In the protein complex, we'll see if cattle can hold its recovery from last week. Hogs, I think, may be under a little bit of pressure here technically. And again, all this is covered in my letter. But to start the day off here, some interesting action in the stock market. Stock market was lower last night, traded down to 49,200. It's all the way back to 49,700. The S&P's opened at 74.10. It's trading at 74.50 right now. So about almost 100-point range in the SPOOs, and you're looking at, geez, what is that? 600 points in the Dow. So get ready. It's going to be a rocky one, and it all depends on what happens with Iran. Have a good day. Give me a call, 312-638-8868. Happy Monday, everybody.